Today we are taking the train from Zurich to Paris. It will be a 4-hour train ride and we have booked the first class seat. So I will document this trip so that you can see if it's worth it, and it will help you decide in the future if you wish to take one. So if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm happy to answer. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.
Space 116.
It will be about 4 hours train ride from Zurich to Paris, and this seat is perfect for us so Cal can move around, and also our luggage has some space here.
Situé au milieu du train. Pour la tranquillité de tous, vous êtes invités à mettre vos portables sur mode vibreur et à passer vos appels téléphoniques depuis les plateformes.
So during the 4 hours trip, there were 3 stops before our main destination. One was in Basel and 2 in another French cities. They also served us lunch. There were choices of chicken, vegetarian, or fish. And Bobby chose a chicken meal and I had fish, which was salmon. You can say that the service was great and the staff was very friendly. The updates of the ride can be seen in the screen. If there's any delay, they show it here, or where the train is at the moment, it can be seen in the map. This is one of the special occasions when Cal is allowed to watch some TV. And also, of course, there's a charger here. You can charge your phone, just bring your own European socket. And there's also a bar. The ride was delayed for about 9 minutes, but overall it was a very good experience. I would say that we had a peaceful ride because of the space that we had, and I think investing a bit of extra money for first class when traveling with a toddler is a good thing. In the next few days, I'll also be posting our stay in Paris, so please watch out for it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!